Okay, we're going to talk today about how to fill out a simple Punnett square. So when you're given alleles for the mother and father of an organism, you can use this Punnett square to figure out the probability that their offspring will have of having a certain trait. So the first thing that we need to do is identify the type of allele combinations. The first type being homozygous dominant. Now let's say that we're using the letter B to represent our trait, whatever that given trait is. If something is homozygous dominant, that means that both of our alleles for that trait are capitalized. And having a capital letter is going to represent a dominant trait. So by having both alleles being dominant, it shows that that organism will show the dominant trait. Homozygous recessive, remember when we break that down, the prefix homo meaning the same, recessive telling you that you're going to have two recessive alleles, so we write those as two lowercase letters. And then heterozygous meaning different, those two letters are going to be different from one another. So what we're going to do now is take that and translate it over to our Punnett square here. Let's say that one of our parents was homozygous dominant. We could write them up here. Again, it doesn't matter if you write one parent on the top or on the bottom. If you write it over here or on the side, it doesn't make any difference. It doesn't affect the outcome of your Punnett square. Let's say our other parent is heterozygous. So we're going to put a capital B and a lowercase b. So what we're going to do now is think of this like a multiplication table where you go across and down. So I'm going to take this b here and translate it across and write it in this first box. I'm also going to take it and put it down here, translate it across to the second box. And then these B's on the top come straight down. So this B gets put in this first box. This one comes down to the second box. Now when we get down here to these bottom boxes, we have a lowercase b that's going to come over and an uppercase B from the top that's going to come down. Remember that we always write the allele combinations with capital and then lowercase. So we'll write capital B, lowercase b. Again, we're going to do the same thing, bringing this lowercase b over to this box, and then this capital B down to this box. So we know that it's going to be a capital and a lowercase. We'll write the capital first, and then the lowercase letter. And that is how you fill out a simple Punnett square.